In this video, I'm going to talk about how to use Servlet Context. Okay, let's move on to our video. First, for every web application, a Servlet Context object is created by the web container. Servlet container object is used to get configuration information from deployment descriptor, which will be available to any servlet or JSPs that are part of the web app. So here some important method of Servlet Context you can see. First, here you can see object, and description is returns the container attributes with the given name or null if there is no attribute by that name. So after that is string. String returns parameter values for the specified parameter named or null if the parameter does not exist. And in enumeration returns the name of the context initialization parameter as an enumeration of a string object. So void set an object with the given attribute name in the application scope. So finally here also in void removes the attribute with the specified name from the application context. Here you can see how the context parameter is initialized inside web.xml. So after that, here you can see a code example to how to get the object of Servlet Context, and let's move on to the advantages of Servlet Context. First one is provide communication between servlets, and after that available to all servlet and JSPs that are part of the web app. So the third one is used to get configuration information from web.xml. So let's talk about difference between context init parameters and servlet init parameters. First, I'm going to talk about context init parameters. So the first one is available to all servlets and JSPs that are part of web. And second one is context init parameters are initialized with the web app, not within a specified, here you can see servlet elements. So after that, Servlet Context object is used to get context init parameters, and only one Servlet Context object from entire web app. So let's move on to the Servlet init parameter. Here available to only servlet for which the init param was configured and initialized within the servlet for each specific servlet, and servlet config object is used to get servlet init parameters, and each servlet has its own servlet config object. So here you can see example showing usage of Servlet Context. Here you can see it, and here is the my servlet class, and so this is the end of this video.